recovery in the Nifty, but now once again we are down 100 points, hitting in towards the day's lowest point. Crude has been one of the factors that's going down in the global market. Let's go across to Peter McGuire. He's with us. Peter, what is the that $100 mark in Brent oil or 19 WTI telling us? Is it telling us that growth is slowing in, inflation is coming down? That's the reason for this?
Well, certainly, I think good afternoon. I think first off, yes, growth is certainly slowing. And if we look at some of those retail sales coming out of Germany, they were frightful. 8.8%, biggest drop. That was for July, biggest drop in history on record. And the overall theme of things as far as US manufacturing, weak. So where we are from here, there's just been a pullback. US dollars come off. And you've got inflation still galloping away, so they're trying to rein that in with rates and so on. So it's, yes, it's not surprising that we've seen a little bit of a pullback as far as crude energy prices.
Right. When we just talk about the dollar index and rupee, how would you look at it? Was it more about the strength of dollar rather than the weakness of rupee or any other emerging market?
I think that was it. I think that summed it up perfectly because it was just strength of King Dollar. We went all the way to 108.50. Many analysts were saying we could even see a 109 handle. We're now sitting at 105.50. So it's really been pushed down hard. Seen a big push up as far as the value of the euro, yen, and British pound, and the rupee. Couldn't break 80. Now you're at 78.60. I'm just looking at the read now. So yes, it's we've seen a very solid, strengthening as far as from that 80 handle back to 78.5 or 78.60.
Right, Peter. Thanks so much for taking our time and telling us about your view on crude dollar index. Quite important to track them when you're tracking inflation, and that's the buzzword around the world. On that note, we're taking